Hello everyone, our consulting team, KMQT, is pleased to present our recommendations for ACME Halloween Novelties Incorporated. Here are the challenges that we see your company facing in the next year. We will take a look at how you should change to reorient your company to face these challenges successfully. The good news is that through our analysis, we have found a path to success for ACME. We're going to show you that by using the switch model, ACME can regain market share and be poised for future growth. KMQT will help you remove the scary part of this change effort by using the switch model. 3 tried and true principles that include manageable and tangible moves, emotional involvement, and a well-defined plan. The model involves a rider, an elephant, and a path. First, let's look at the rider, who will direct the change effort. The rider's job is to look for an existing bright spot. This is done by carefully gathering data on the issue. ACME could take these 3 actions by gathering data in search of a bright spot or something that is working for you. In your case, we have found that the sales reps in your Northeast region were outperforming all other regions by a factor of 10. What were they doing that was different than the routine? We found that instead of following ACME's traditional sales model of attending trade shows to book orders, the Northeast reps were doing something different. We studied different sales techniques used by the Northeast team and made sure that their success wasn't due to some exceptional factor. The good news is that what your Northeast reps are doing is not exceptional, and it would be easy for others to replicate. Here's your bright spot as we see it. ACME sales reps in the Northeast have been making personal sales calls where they provide retailers with pop-up changing tents to allow customers to try on ACME costumes. This has helped form a strong bond between the sales rep and the retailer. You are selling more costumes and the retailers are placing your products in prime end-aisle displays and at the register. Here's what we recommend. Let everyone know that personal sales calls will save jobs, maybe their own. The rider will let everyone know that by changing the sales meeting model, ACME will save 25 jobs in 1 year and set itself up for future growth. While the rider has set the strategy, the elephant is the strength and heart who will be the motivator that builds excitement and positive feelings to make things happen. Elephants are scared by problems that seem too big, so be sure to shrink the change into manageable pieces. Elephants can help grow people, and this is essential for your success. ACME needs to clear the way for the rational rider and the emotional elephant to succeed, and that's what shaping a path is all about. If the environment needs changing, change it. If a situation needs fixing, fix it. Here are some ways to do this. In this phase, you need to rally the herd by announcing early wins. Success is contagious, so provide examples. The switch model is a framework that is simple enough to remember and flexible enough to use in many different situations. The best part of the model is dramatic change can happen even if you don't have adequate resources. Motivation and understanding is so important to any change process, so we think our model will be an effective way to present the problem to your employees in an unambiguous way while giving them opportunities to engage in the process. Here are the primary steps for our change process model. Why find the bright spots? The bright spots help alleviate anxiety by showing employees where to go, how to act, and what destination to pursue. Why script the moves? Breaking down your changes into small, more doable pieces helps to remove unneeded choices. Therefore, you have a better chance for clarity, steps for the employees to follow, and an ability to have laser focus on actions needed. Why point to the destination? You need to prevent lack of clarity and direction and ensure the road gets clear. It's simple. Point to the destination. Why find the feeling? Providing employees pictures of the change versus having them read the change will evoke emotion and therefore help to promote engagement. Why grow your people? Build a common identity through your change process that everyone can share and relate to, working toward. Make this identity something that everyone in the company desires to be, and you'll be able to stay on track. Why tweak the environment? Keep it simple. As simple as that. Focus on the pieces of the process and celebrate successes. Why build habits? By finding proven habits, sharing them throughout the company, and having accountability, you will be able to provide steps that are understandable and achievable. Why rally the herd? Social pressure, room to be involved in the process collaboratively, and showing early successes will keep the company moving toward its end goal. Why use the switch model? It's simple. It works. The switch model provides a roadmap that allows you to motivate and engage your employees for change. Three primary stakeholders will be involved or will have influence on our proposed change effort for ACME. Management and sales will be internal stakeholders. The communication and collaboration between these two stakeholders are key to the success of the change process. The competition is the external force that is driving the reasoning behind this change. ACME must anticipate and plan for the influences in marketplaces where competitors may be gaining share.